baling setup is a John Deere 6105D. It has the loader for it and the grapple bucket, but we take that off in the summer because you run it on there, you just beat the heck out of your equipment, and we don't like doing that. So, and then the round baler is Vermeer 605 Series L, and right now my goal is let him get the end rows finished. Let him finish up the end rows here, and then I just start raking the long back and forth. So 40 inches, but they call it the 40. Oh, it's right around 40 acres. And I told them, I said I was talking with a John Deere dealer earlier today, Valley Plains Equipment in Hunter, North Dakota, about potentially getting a demo round baler out here on the farm this year. If I do get a demo baler, either A, it'll be on the 966 International with me running it, or B, it'll be behind my great uncle 6105D front wheel assist with him round baling. I don't know. We get one of them though for a demo. Well, we ain't gonna be using that Vermeer if we get that. We're gonna be using the demo machine. But like dealers try to get you to buy stuff to demo it. I mean, would it be nice to have a Deere baler, a new baler? Yeah. None of us can cost justify it right now. So I'm gonna get back going, you know, slowly. I'm running around 2,400 RPM. Not long for the window. Heavier areas, I like to try to go slower through things. They like to flip a little more. But not trying to go too terribly fast to beat the heck out of the utility tractor and raking. The raking track. Last year I had old 9-wheel right put behind this bugger last year I did. And this year, instead of doing that, just combining 2 rows into one, I'm doing just flip 1 row at a time. I usually can stay ahead of them, which is fairly nice to do. If I can stay ahead of them, I won't. They're building and I'm raking. First, being able to go faster. Right now, I'm not flipping it too fast, but I'm not launching the windrow back there, as you can see. Oh, son of a bitch. I guess I can't put that for a PG video. Chain. I wonder if I can still consider this a video for kids. Because I just dropped the B word. I knew it was going to happen at some point. These heavier areas tends to happen, the heavier material. So, means you gotta go slower through them, which I don't mind. In a way, it's better if I go slower. I have less chances. Oh, you effing kid. I guess I gotta go faster. Frickin' A. I know this video ain't for kids anymore. Now I'm about to start cussing. You know, I start cussing, it ain't gonna be pretty. It's gonna be very tough. I am just... I'll end this video here, so thanks to us, just like Travis from the rest of the story said, take care, take it easy, keep in touch, and I'll talk to y'all later. I'll see y'all next time at Krueger Family Farm.